students, this is Syed. I hope you all are fine and safe. Please be at home, be safe as the coronavirus is widespreading. And today we are going to discuss about the beginning of a settled life, Block 4, Social Science Class 5. So let's get started. The early humans lived thousands of years ago. They were hunter-gatherers and went from place to place in search of food and shelter. Let us read about the two major changes that made it possible for early humans to live a more settled life. Here are some of the keywords: agriculture, domesticated, grinding, invention, transportation. I repeat: agriculture, domesticated, grinding, invention, and transportation. Today you might be knowing how we practice the agriculture. The early humans may have seen fruit falling from the trees to the ground and eventually learn how the seeds grow into trees. This is what could have been the beginning of agriculture. It was a big change as they could now grow their own food instead of depending on what they found. They grew barley, maize, sweet potato, and wheat. They domesticated animals like cattle, sheep, and goats for their milk and meat. The development of agriculture and domestication of animals helped them to settle in one place. This is what would have led them to make their own huts near the fields instead of living in caves. Another major change was in the tools. With the beginning of agriculture, early humans started making better tools. They made sharp stone tools like spears, hammers, and axes. These new tools helped them with farming, building huts, digging the soil. They also used these stones for grinding grain. They also used axes to clear forest for farming. The early humans used animals such as horses or cows to travel from one place to another until they invented the wheel. It is believed that they may have got the idea for this invention from seeing round stones rolling down hills. After inventing the wheel, they could have made carts with wheels. Wheels helped them to travel farther, pull heavy loads, and carry things over long distances. This was a big change in the history of transportation. They might have made the potter's wheel that helped them to carry clay pots, which were used in households for different purposes like storing grain and water. As we had discussed in the previous class about the road transportation, you may know now that we have different modes of transportation where we even have the fastest means of transportations like aeroplanes. All this happened only after the development of wheel. Here are some of these questions which you are asked to answer. How did farming change the lives of early humans? How did the wheel help the early humans? Compare the farming activities of Neolithic period with the modern farming methods. Thank you.